Today we're diving into something absolutely insane. Something that doesn't just redefine luxury motorhomes, but completely dominates the expedition category.
Welcome back to PrimeDrive Reviews 2026. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. What you're looking at is the Aston Martin British Crown Hyper Mansion Motorhome, an ultra-luxury, fully modified 8x8 expedition land yacht inspired by the design language of modern Aston Martin Grand Tourers. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving palace designed for those who want the prestige of a luxury supercar, combined with the comfort of a 5-star penthouse on wheels. From the very first glance, the vehicle commands attention. Its gigantic, ultra-long and ultra-wide proportions give it a dominating road presence that few vehicles on Earth can match. Finished in deep Aston Martin Racing Green mirror metallic paint, the body reflects light like polished emerald glass. Under showroom lighting, subtle metallic flakes shimmer across the surface, giving the motorhome a jewel-like appearance. The paint alone feels like something reserved for a $1 million hypercar. Yet here it coats an enormous 8x8 luxury expedition machine that stretches across the floor like a Royal British land yacht. Moving closer to the front, the design immediately reveals its inspiration. The massive front fascia is dominated by a gigantic Aston Martin-inspired signature grille finished in polished chrome with an intricate diamond mesh pattern. It's elegant, aggressive, and unmistakably British. On both sides of the grille sit razor-sharp LED matrix headlights, sculpted with crystal-cut lighting elements that look more like jewelry than simple illumination. Thin daytime running lights form a futuristic lighting signature, while vertical LED light blades frame the front edges and give the vehicle an unmistakable nighttime presence. The hood is another masterpiece of design. Instead of the flat surface you might expect from a traditional motorhome, the designers sculpted aerodynamic power bulges and refined airflow channels inspired by Aston Martin hypercars. These subtle curves make the enormous body look sleek and performance-focused. Despite its massive scale. Now, as we move along the side profile, the scale of this hyper mansion becomes truly clear. The motorhome sits on an enormous 8x8 chassis, meaning 8 driven wheels spread across multiple axles to support the immense size and luxury weight of the vehicle. Each wheel features enormous turbine-style forged alloys finished in brushed silver, wrapped in ultra-wide luxury expedition tires designed to carry both comfort and capability. The side body panels are sculpted with flowing lines that echo the elegance of grand touring coupes. Massive panoramic smoked glass windows stretch across the entire length of the vehicle, creating the feeling of a luxury glass palace on wheels. Chrome window surrounds and polished trim details highlight the sophisticated craftsmanship, while subtle ambient LED accent strips run along the body lines to give the motorhome a glowing silhouette at night. One of the most interesting details appears in the entry section. Hidden within the sleek bodywork is a retractable illuminated staircase that deploys when the door opens. The entrance itself features the iconic wing emblem associated with Aston Martin, instantly reinforcing the premium identity of the motorhome. Even stepping inside feels like boarding a private jet rather than entering a vehicle. Before we explore the interior, take a moment to appreciate the rear design. The back of the motorhome carries the same elegant yet futuristic style. A full-width ultra-thin LED light bar stretches across the rear, glowing like a ribbon of red light. Beneath it, sculpted panels and chrome diffuser accents give the vehicle a refined but powerful look. Ventilation elements and aerodynamic surfaces help manage airflow around the massive structure, making the design both beautiful and functional. Now let's move inside, because this is where the hyper mansion truly lives up to its name. The main lounge area immediately feels like a luxury penthouse suite. Rich racing green leather upholstery reflects the exterior color theme, while cream and tan accents soften the environment and create a warm executive atmosphere. Plush sofas face each other across a designer coffee table made from polished carbon fiber and marble elements. Soft ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling panels, producing a warm golden glow that feels calm, elegant, And extremely exclusive. Large panoramic windows surround the lounge, filling the interior with natural light during the day and city reflections at night. The floor is covered in ultra-premium carpet that feels more like something from a luxury hotel than a vehicle. Integrated cabinets house a private bar area complete with a champagne cooler and crystal glass storage. Everything inside this lounge suggests that the owner of this motorhome travels not just comfortably, but in absolute prestige. Before we continue deeper into this luxury mansion on wheels, if you enjoy discovering ultra-luxury vehicles like this one, make sure you subscribe to PrimeDrive Reviews and turn on notifications. We bring you the most extraordinary concept cars, hyper-luxury motorhomes, and futuristic vehicles from around the world. Continuing further into the motorhome, the master bedroom reveals an even more impressive level of comfort. At the center sits a king-size bed with a racing green leather headboard embossed with the iconic wing emblem of Aston Martin. The bed is dressed in premium silk bedding, while marble side tables and soft ambient lighting create a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Panoramic windows with motorized curtains allow the occupants to enjoy incredible views while traveling or resting. Wood veneer wall panels and polished metallic accents enhance the feeling that this space belongs in a five-star luxury suite rather than inside. Nearby is the mini washroom, designed with elegant marble surfaces and green accent panels inspired by the exterior paint. A circular LED mirror glows softly above a modern sink with polished chrome fixtures. Despite its compact size, the washroom feels incredibly premium thanks to the high-quality materials and careful lighting design. Moving toward the kitchen area, the interior continues to impress. The kitchen is designed like something you might find on a luxury yacht. A polished marble island sits in the center, surrounded by sleek cabinets finished in carbon fiber and brushed gold handles. Built-in appliances include a high-end refrigerator, induction cooking surface, microwave system, and even a temperature-controlled wine cooler. Soft, ambient lighting beneath the cabinets highlights the textures of the materials and makes the space both beautiful and practical. Now let's step into the driver cockpit, which feels like the control center of a futuristic hypercar. Instead of a traditional bus-style dashboard, the cockpit features a sweeping digital instrument cluster with multiple high-resolution displays. The steering wheel is wrapped in racing green leather and accented with carbon fiber details. Aircraft-inspired switches line the control panels, allowing the driver to manage navigation, vehicle systems, and luxury features with precision. Large panoramic glass provides excellent road visibility while maintaining the sleek aesthetic of the exterior design. The driver and co-pilot seats are upholstered in premium leather and offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions to ensure maximum comfort during long journeys. Of course, a vehicle of this magnitude also needs serious power. Beneath the massive body sits a heavy-duty hybrid powertrain system designed to move the enormous 8x8 machine smoothly and efficiently. The system is expected to combine a powerful twin-turbo V12 engine with advanced electric motors to produce extraordinary torque and smooth acceleration. The multi-axle drivetrain distributes power across all 8 wheels, giving the motorhome incredible stability and traction even when traveling across challenging terrain. Adaptive suspension systems automatically adjust ride height and damping to ensure passengers experience a smooth, luxury-level ride regardless of road conditions. When it comes to pricing, a vehicle like the Aston Martin British Crown Hypermansion motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-exclusive category. Industry experts estimate that base variants could begin somewhere around $3 million, while fully customized versions equipped with personalized interiors and advanced technology packages could reach $5 to $7 million or more. This level of pricing may sound extreme, but remember that vehicles like this are not designed for ordinary buyers. They are created for billionaires, celebrities, and collectors who want the most luxurious mobile lifestyle experience imaginable. And when you look at everything this rolling mansion offers, the Grand Tour-inspired design, it becomes clear that this isn't just transportation, it's a statement of luxury engineering. Don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow luxury vehicle fans, and subscribe to PrimeDrive Reviews for more unbelievable machines from the world of automotive innovation.